goes the ground. With a trumpet held in his strong trunk hand, he swings his ears, squeeze his side. The jungle friends are marching in pride. Parrots cheer from the tallest tree. Monkeys dance and clap with glee. Lions roar a royal beat. Zebras tap their stripy feet. The jungle shakes beneath their feet as drums and laughs and trumpets meet. Each step a rhythm bold and bright in Mr. Elephant's parade of delight.
Chasing the breeze, so calm and still. Tail like a pom-pom, nose so pink. Blinking eyes that softly blink. Clouds above and sheep below. Fluffy friends in a gentle row. One lies down, the other's not. Curled up close in a cozy lap. White sheep, gentle and sweet, with tiny hooves and dancing feet. When the stars begin to peep, the sheep all sigh and fall asleep. Jelly beans go. I had a jar just an hour ago. Red ones bounced and rolled away. Green ones giggled and wouldn't stay. Yellow ones hid behind a shoe. Purple ones slid through some goo. Orange ones danced across the floor, then slipped beneath the candy drawer. I searched the shelf, I checked my hats, even peeked behind the cat. They vanished quick without a sound. Those sneaky sweets can't be found. But look, what's that beneath the chair? A rainbow trail is winding there. A jelly bean parade, what a show. They're throwing sparkles as they go.
Little miss, pretty miss, blessings lying upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you. Little miss, pretty miss, blessings lying upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you.
Sing along with kids. 6 little pandas jumping in the pool, splashing and giggling, keeping cool. One did a flip and made a big spray. Too much fun, the others say. Jump and splash, wriggle and play. Pandas swimming all the day in the pool so bright and blue. Pandas laugh and so will you. Five little pandas floating on a ring. One tried to paddle, what a silly thing. He spun around and gave a cheer. This is the best time of the year. They made a wave and rode it fast.
their panda giggles sure did last. With floaties, noodles, and water games, they splashed around and called their names. 6 little pandas, what a crew, soaked and smiling through and through. When the sun begins to cool, they'll be back to jump in the pool.
Sing along with kids. Drip, drop, freedom clap, rain falls down. Panda looks out at the sleepy playtown. He grabs his boots all shiny and red and pops a hat on his fuzzy head. A splash in a puddle, a twirl in the rain, dancing and skipping down the bamboo lane. Raindrops sparkle like jewels in the sky. Panda giggles as the ducks waddle by. He finds a dry spot under a tree and sips warm tea with honey and glee. The clouds drift off and the sun peeks through. A rainbow shines in every hue. Back home he goes, warm and dry. A panda's rainy day, oh me, oh my. Sing along with kids. Sun shines so bright, wake us up with golden light. Peek through windows stretched so wide, chase the stars and clouds that hide. Warm the flowers, dry the dew, paint the sky a glowing blue. Giggles bloom in morning air, sunshine sprinkles everywhere. Sun, up so high, smiling in the cotton sky. Birds all sing and children play. Thank you, sun, for a brand new day. Sing along with kids. Row your dinosaur gently down the stream in a boat with dino oars, gliding through a dream. Stomp, stomp, splashy feet, tails go swish and spin. Through the jungle down they go with giant toothy grins. Roar, roar, sing a tune underneath the moon. Riding waves and catching stars, they'll be home real soon. Row your dinosaur, laughing all the way. Adventure ends at Dino Bed. Good night to Dino Play.